Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and going straight to Home Rules, Manage Rules and Alerts. This puts the rules wizard in front of you. Choose New Rule now, because waiting wastes time. Pick a template for common flows or start from a blank rule if you need control. Once done, name the rule descriptively so you recognize it later. Make sure to select the account if you have multiple ones. This prevents rules applying in the wrong inbox. You now define the rules brain. Pick conditions that match messages you want to manage. For example, sender equals boss or subject contains invoice. Then choose precise actions. Move to folder, categorize, forward, or delete to automate the outcome. Once done, add exceptions where necessary so important messages aren't misrouted. Make sure to click the link text to specify folders, addresses, or phrases. You finish by testing and managing the rule. Run it on your inbox to see actual results and then enable it. If it works, reorder rules so higher priority rules run first. Outlook processes from top to bottom. Once done, export or backup rules if you rely on many automations. If things go wrong, look at scope, local versus server, verify conditions and account selection, and check for conflicting rules that stop execution. Make incremental fixes and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.